Hi, this is Ronnie and welcome to my channel and to How to Kill a Kit with Style. If you look down below, you'll see a bunch of other people that are doing the How to Kill a Kit with Style too. This layout is actually from the month of March, but I've had numerous troubles with uh, technical difficulties. That's the word for it, plus internet. It goes off so much it's unreal. But hopefully I'll get this up and it won't take too many hours. But I thought I was going to go ahead and do the voiceover. I have been congested, allergies, nothing else, just allergies. I haven't ran a fever and it's been difficult to talk. So if there's kind of breakups in here, it's because I'm editing the coughing out. I figure y'all don't want to hear that. But I figure if I stop just as soon as I do it, back up, clip, we'll be fine. If I forget, sorry. This is a picture of my granddaughter, the youngest one. I am expecting another grandbaby, but this is the youngest one. And she was in church and in the floor. And she had gotten away from mommy and daddy. And somebody else took this picture and sent it to them and showed them where she was at. So my title's going to be A Precious Find because somebody found my precious granddaughter in the floor, scooting across the floor. But I'm sure they were paying attention to the preacher, or even my son might have been preaching. I didn't ask because sometimes he does preach. But yeah, uh, that's her scooting across the floor. I did crop part of it out, some other people's feet and stuff, but she is in the floor between the pews. And I'm going to put that vellum on there because I'm going to use that piece of paper with all those precious gems. Yeah, I was looking through my pictures and trying to think, okay, what one can I have? Do the girls have like one of those pop suckers, those ring pops? Or anything. I was looking for something and I seen this and I thought, well, that one's a precious find. So I am going to use it. But the background is really busy. And I thought, well, I'm just going to go ahead and put a piece of vellum on there. And trying to put these stickers on there as busy as it was and to get them straight, I thought it would be a little bit difficult. So I'm putting it on my grid instead and getting them straight on there. And then I'm putting them on to the other page. And I didn't have an N in there. So I just turned it Z sideways. And it's a little bit shorter than the other letters, but I don't think anybody will pay much attention to it. And I got to use those gigantic uh, um, alphas. Yeah, they're kind of big on that sheet. Usually they're not quite that big. I decided to use the border there, that squiggly border line. I thought, if I don't use it on this page, it may not get used. And I thought, it's busy already. What's a little bit more busy? So yeah, I added it on here. And it was not, my vellum was not laying down super great right there. So I decided to add some glue behind the little squiggly lines. And oh, look at that sticker. That thing was stuck to that picture. It's funny how sometimes they will not stick to nothing, no matter how hard you try. And you put liquid glue behind it and it still don't stick. But you put it on a picture, yeah, it's going to stick. I had a hard time getting it up. And look at me. I am using that clip right there. It says right now. So yeah, she sent a text and said, right now, this is where she's at. But yeah, don't she look so innocent and sweet though? Yeah, she is a little doll, but she is mischievous. And let's see, where am I doing? Oh, I'm just trying to find different things to go on here that I thought would go. And I'm looking at the sticker sheet and I'm thinking, I am really needing something else on here for like layering. So I am going to end up pulling out some Amy Tan, well, they're clear stickers. And me and clear stickers, I just didn't use them for a while. I had them, but I didn't use them. And I have been determined lately to use them. So you have seen them on some of my layouts, and you are definitely going to see some on this layout. And basically it is for the layering part of it. And oh, these little things are little stars, and they sparkle. Well, one side sparkles, one side don't, so you can flip them over. But I thought, oh, add a little bit of sparkle to my page. I did think about sequins. I did even pull them out, but I'd ran across these when I was hunting for something else in a drawer in the other room. And well, I wasn't hunting for something else. I knew exactly where it was at. I went there and there to get it, but I didn't realize these were in there. So I thought I can use them on my page. And yeah, they're going to end up everywhere in that little basket because I cut a hole in it and it don't close back up. So I will have to find a little Ziploc bag to put them in. And here's part of my layering. I'm going to put these, well, they're little chevrons, and it looks like they've got paintbrush marks on it. And so, yeah, I'm going to layer them underneath there. It's, I'm going to end up putting some of the stars on top and gluing them down and everything. So I will have a layer there and kind of a base for my title too. I know I seen that keeper and I thought this kid is a keeper. So I went ahead and stuck it down there at the bottom right. But see how the colors go with all these different colors in the background. I mean, you can't help but go with them. There's so many different colors there. And I pulled out my puffy stickers again. These are the ones that I had from last month and brought on to this month. I had 2 packages and I'm down to less than 1, so I'm doing pretty good on those. And what am I doing now? Oh, I'm done. I didn't even realize it. I am done. I glued all those little stars down and I cut that out so y'all wouldn't have to watch it. And so, yeah, I'm done. That's my layout. It is a little bit busy because I went ahead and used that whole sheet. But in person, it don't look quite as bad because you can see the vellum better. It kind of looks really see-through here, but in person, it looks more, yeah, see, you can see it, it shows up better in this picture here. And that's how it looks in person. It does look like it's toning it down. But if you look below, there is all kinds of people that is doing the How to Kill a Kit with Style. And so you'll have loads and loads of inspiration to look at. And I know you have plenty right now. And I'll have lots more time to watch videos too because, yeah, we're all getting to spend time at home. So, yeah, I hope you all are finding scrappy time. I'm way, way ahead on layouts and videos, just getting them all voiced over and loaded. But, yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. If you leave a comment below, I'll get back with you. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you subscribed, and if you liked the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. But thank you so much. Have a happy scrappy week and take care. Bye.